You have a bag of cotton and an iron bar, each indicating a mass of 100 kg when measured on a weighing machine. In reality, one is heavier than the other. Can you say which one is heavier and why? It's a good technical question. If you guys have not done it in your MCQ questions, please pause and give it a try. I hope you guys have tried it. So this represents an iron bar, this represents a cotton. Clearly one is bigger and one is smaller in terms of volume, but the mass, measured weight turns out to be the same, and so the measured mass turns out to be the same. So this is indicated where? Indicating on the weighing machine. So they're asking one is heavier than the other, that is one of the mass is heavier than the other. They are telling it is so, and they are asking which one and why. The answer is cotton. Okay guys, my question to you guys is why? Because of variation in buoyantic force. Let me explain with free body diagram of cotton, and we have free body diagram of iron. First thing first, let us draw a box. Cotton and iron. So both of them are experiencing a pull down. So actual mass of the cotton into G, actual mass of the iron into G. Is it not? Then the buoyant force will be a bit smaller over here, the buoyant force of iron, and it will be a bit larger over here, buoyant force of cotton. My question to you guys is, I told buoyant force of cotton is a bit more than buoyant force of iron. My question to you guys is why? The reason being simple, it's very simple. Volume of the cotton is more than volume of the iron. So obviously this will experience more buoyant force, as simple as that. Okay guys. But their net force turns out to be same. The net force in both the cases turns out to be same. 100 into 10, that is 1000 Newton. Is it not? Because the net force is same, we can do one thing. We can compare them. Because the net force of the cotton is equal to net force of the iron, we can do this. We can compare mcg, that is the pulling force of the gravitation pulling force minus FBC will be equal to FIG minus, not F, sorry, MIG into G minus buoyant force of iron. We can do this, is it not? So now one thing is clear, that FBC is more than FBI. And so what can we conclude? MCG has to be greater than MIG for them to be equal. Is it not? This value turns out to be more than this. If this is 10, say this is 5. Is it not? So 15 minus 10 will be same as 10 minus 5. So this value has to be more than this. Is it not guys? Think about it. Let me give some values. If this is 5 and say this is, let me take this as 15. Let me take this as 10. But their subtraction turns out to be same. How is that possible? It will be possible. Something like this happens. 25 minus 15 will be equal to 20 minus 10. Right. So clearly 25 is greater than 20. I hope you guys understood with logic. Why is it so? And now we have MC greater than MI. Even this can be proved aram se by dividing with G. G is common now. We can cancel it. Like equation, you can cancel things over here as well. These are known as inequalities. This is something that you are not familiar with, so you might be getting confused over here, but it's okay. Exposure is important. Learning will happen in time. In your exam, you just have to write this answer. The cotton is heavier. Reason being, as a cotton bag will occupy more volume than a bar of iron of the same mass, the cotton bag will experience more buoyant force. Thus, the net weight of the cotton bag would be a lot lesser than its original weight when compared with a piece of iron of the same mass. Okay guys, so that is one big written answer. Okay, so now your job is to copy everything. Yes, you need to copy everything, because this kind of explanation is something that you guys have to start thinking about. This will help you learn physics better and maths better for all the future grades. Degree, 11th and 12th, 10th, whatever we're talking about, mathematical reasoning is very important. Explaining with math, that is. Okay, so please pause and copy it off.